Physical divisions of India. In the physical division of our country, it includes mountains, northern plains, plateaus, deserts, and islands. Today, we are going to learn the mountains. What is a mountain? So students, when an area of land is raised above its surrounding and this area of has a pointed or conical top, it is said to be a mountain. Let us see the map of our country. In the north, we have the Great Himalayan Range. This range has some of the highest mountains in the world. The peaks of most of the Himalayan mountains remain covered with snow throughout the year. Children, the highest mountain peak in the world, Mount Everest, is also a part of the Himalayas. Its height is 8,848 meters. Children, do you know many rivers like the Ganga and Brahmaputra rise in the Himalayas? There are some mountains in the central and south India too. The Satpura Hills are in central India, while the Nilgiri Hills are in South India. Children, do you know who were the first men to climb the Mount Everest? Yes, Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay. And the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest was Bachendri Pal. What are northern plains? Northern plains are flat lands. These lands are mainly found in the northern part of our country below the Himalayas. The northern plains are also known as Gantic Plains. Now, let us see the map. The region which is colored in orange are the northern plains. Many rivers like the Ganga, Yamuna, Ravi, Satluj, etc. flow through the plains. These rivers make the plain fertile. Many types of crops are grown here. Now let us move with the other plains. Narrow strips of plain land are also found along the western coast and eastern coast of India. These areas are coastal areas. The coastal area in the sense where land and sea meet. So, these plains are also called as coastal plains. These plains meet at a place called Kanyakumari. Children, at Kanyakumari, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal also meet. The rivers which flow through these plains are Narmada, Tapi, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. What is a plateau? The land which is flat and higher than its surrounding area is called a plateau. Now children, see on the map. The southern part of India looks like a cone on the map and has uneven and flat surface. It is higher than the surrounding plains. See, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau. The southern plateaus covers the largest part of our country. The land in the southern plateaus is rocky and hard. The area is less fertile than the plains. What is a desert? The desert is a very large area of land covered with sand, having very little water and very few plants growing on it. Children, do you know which plant grows here? Yes, cactus. In the northwestern part of India is the Great Indian Desert or the Thar Desert. The brown area here is the Thar Desert in Rajasthan. The people here lead a tough life. It is very hot and dry in the daytime during summer. However, the nights are quite pleasant and cool during winter. It rains little in the desert areas. The camel is the most important animal in the desert. Camels are called sheep of the desert because they carry over 200 kilograms of loads from one side of the desert to the other. They walk 4 kilometers per hour through the hot desert. They can go like this for 3 weeks, means 21 days without water. That is why camel is known as the sheep of the desert. What is a peninsula? The land that is surrounded by water on 3 sides is called a peninsula. Now children, see, the southern part of India is bounded by water on 3 sides. So, this area is known as Indian Peninsula. The Indian Peninsula has the Indian Ocean on the southern side, the Arabian Sea on the western side, and the Bay of Bengal on the eastern side. Now, let us learn the island. What is an island? The land surrounded by water on all sides is called an island. islands in the water bodies around India. Some of these islands are a part of India. One group of islands is in the Bay of Bengal. These are called the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The Lakshadweep Islands is another group of islands in the Arabian Sea. We are going to learn our climate. Our climate. The presence of mountains, rivers, plains and forests leads to different climates in the different parts of India. In North India, the summers are very hot and dry and the winters are cold. The mountains have cold climate almost throughout the year. Children, in the coastal areas, it is neither very hot nor very cold. That's all for today. Thank you.